In today's world, there's a lot of pressure to appear wealthy. You've likely seen people on social media showing off their luxury cars, extravagant vacations, and expensive dinners. But does this reflect true wealth? Not always. In fact, many truly wealthy people don't flaunt their riches. Real wealth is about having money and using it wisely. Let's explore why some rich individuals downplay their wealth and the strategies that give them a financial edge. 1. Rich people understand the value of money. Smart investors, those who manage money well, focus on assets that grow in value over time. They understand that these choices are key to feeling financially secure. Instead of spending money to impress others, they prioritize decisions that help their wealth grow in the future. Financial freedom isn't about looking rich, it's about being wise with money, like investing in stocks, owning businesses, and diversifying investments. They measure wealth not by what they own, but by how well their money grows and how effectively they manage it. The difference between the wealthy and those who struggle often comes down to mindset. Successful people invest for the long term, while others spend impulsively. To turn financial struggles around, the first step is changing how you view money, as a tool to build more wealth, not just for spending. 2. Low profile and privacy to enjoy normal life. Some wealthy individuals prefer to maintain a low profile, enjoying simple pleasures without the distractions of a flashy lifestyle. By staying modest, they avoid drawing attention and focus on their goals without worrying about others' opinions. They don't show off because they understand how hard money is to earn and focus on growing their wealth instead. For example, renting a luxury car like a Ferrari in the US can cost $1,500 to $3,000 a day. Many wealthy people rent these cars to others who want to appear rich, making the rich even richer. The key difference between the wealthy and those who are not is that flaunting wealth comes with problems. Friends and family might seek financial help, thieves could target you, and fake friends may only be interested in your money. It becomes harder to know who truly cares about you. Rich people quietly focus on growing their wealth. While this path might lead to fewer friends, those who stay are genuine. 3. Personal well-being. The pursuit of a lavish lifestyle can often bring stress, anxiety, and harm to personal well-being. Many wealthy individuals prioritize their mental and emotional health over extravagant spending. Their success isn't due to magic but to smart habits that make a big difference. First, they've mastered delayed gratification. Instead of rushing into purchases, they're patient, which allows them to save for what truly matters rather than spending impulsively. Second, they continually invest in themselves. They're avid readers, constantly learning to improve their financial knowledge and applying what they learn. Lastly, they take care of their bodies by exercising and staying healthy, understanding that good health is key to clear thinking and lasting success. After all, wealth means little if you're not healthy. These habits are the foundation for a better future, giving wealthy individuals an edge. They invest and save wisely without concern for others' opinions. True financial security means there's no need to show off. Confidence in success removes the pressure to prove it. 4. Rich focus on meaningful goals. You may have met people who seem ordinary, dress simply, and don't show off their wealth, yet their bank accounts could surprise you. They see success differently and no longer believe that having expensive things makes them valuable. Instead, they find happiness in simple joys and focus on improving themselves and learning new skills. These skills are valuable and will help them succeed, regardless of the economy. You don't need formal education for this, it's about personal growth, which is key to lasting success. Instead of wanting expensive items, they focus on building real wealth. This change is not just about money, it's also a shift in mindset. They understand that trying to impress others is less important when working toward true wealth. 5. Cultural and personal value. Some individuals come from backgrounds that value modesty and humility. This doesn't mean hiding success, It means recognizing that worth comes from financial stability in growing wealth, not from seeking approval. Being humble helps protect finances, as these individuals prioritize smart decisions over simply appearing wealthy. To embrace prosperity, let go of the need to show how much you have. Keep life simple and avoid obsessing over material possessions or seeking praise. Real success comes from being content with yourself. Many wealthy people don't flaunt their wealth, they understand that true prosperity comes from wise investments over time. By focusing on careful money management and personal growth, they create a more meaningful journey toward success. Many people mistakenly try to copy the lifestyles of the wealthy, even when they have limited money. Those with modest means often imitate rich individuals, pretending to be well off in hopes of achieving wealth. However, this focus on appearances is flawed and unhelpful. A better strategy is to learn from those who have genuinely built their wealth, rather than those who merely pretend to be rich. True wealth comes from smart money management and careful investments, not from showing off. Instead of emulating fake wealthy individuals or celebrities, it's wiser to follow everyday millionaires who have built their fortunes through hard work and discipline. What can you learn from them? You don't need fancy clothes or expensive watches to look good, you can look nice without high-end brands. Buying the latest expensive car to impress others can hurt your finances. If you're pretending to be rich to follow trends, it's time to stop and start investing like the wealthy. Rich individuals invest in things that appreciate over time, such as stocks or real estate. These investments can grow in value and generate income. To become successful and wealthy, learn from those who have overcome challenges rather than imitating those still in similar situations. Wealthy people focus on using their money to grow their wealth, not on appearances. If you found this video useful, be sure to like, subscribe and turn on notifications to not miss our future uploads. See you in the next video.